everyone. Welcome to QA Career Hub. So today's software testing interview question is, what is Canary Testing? Now let's see the definition of Canary Testing. Canary testing is a deployment strategy where a new version of the application is released to a small group of users before making it available to everyone. Now let's understand canary testing with a simple example. Suppose a banking application has a new payment feature. Instead of releasing it to all customers, the company enables it for only 5% of users. The team monitors errors, performance, and user feedback. If everything works as expected, the feature is gradually rolled out to 25, 50, and finally 100% of users. This approach helps identify production issues early and reduces the impact of faulty releases. Thanks for watching QA Career Hub. Follow for daily interview questions and learning content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.